Hey, what's up folks? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. So today we're going to take a look in the box of the EKSA E900 gaming headset. Now, this gaming headset, you can pick it up around $30 to $40 or so. The link is below if you want to go ahead and grab that. But let's see some quick things here. Again, it's by the company EKSA, 24-month extended warranty if you register for free. It is the E900 series. It says it's a 3.5 millimeter plug, so no USB, nothing like that. Has 50 millimeter drivers, so that's what's going to drive the actual sound in the headphones. Frequency range is 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. All right, microphone, that's built in. Supply voltage is 3 volts for that. So let's go ahead and actually take a look and see what's in the box here. So just the box in general is pretty nice looking. It has that little spot finish on it. Go ahead, pick this up right here. All right, it actually has a little carrying case, which is pretty nice. So I'll show you that in a second. In the box here, we do have some other little items. We have your little registration guide. That's good, so you can scan that. Your user manual in probably a few different languages. Talks about warranty and all that fun stuff. We do have like a little splitter, a little Y splitter it comes with. I'm not sure. Let's see what that shows on there. Shows a headphone and a microphone on there, so that's just a little splitter if you need to use that. In the box, we have the headphones right here. Those are pretty cool looking headphones actually. So it says RL, right, left. That's pretty helpful. Same thing inside if you can see, so you know which ears it should go on. Let's see, anything else on here? So it feels there's some metal on here. There are some metal pieces and stuff. Pretty nice looking headphones there for sure. A lot of foam, so that looks pretty cushiony. Also up top, I have some other headphones that I've tried out, and the cushion was just horrible. Or actually, the cups for the earphones were not really good. The sound quality is great on those headphones, but they hurt you after a while, unless you have really small ears, I guess. So this is wired. Let's go ahead and check this out. Be good if I put that on the right ears, like it tells me. So, wow. Plenty of padding. That's definitely really comfortable to wear. It's got some good spring to it, spring action, and it does cup around the ears nicely and dampens the sound pretty well around me, so that's a good thing. We do have a good amount of wire here with a Velcro that's on it, so again, that's the 1/8 inch plug. And then we also have our microphone on-off controller as well as a volume control I see there on the side. In the bag, this one right here, pretty cool looking carry case. It comes with the microphone that's going to plug in somewhere on here. Let's see where it's at. There's a little microphone section right up top there. I'll plug that in. This does say it's like Amazon choice, Amazon bestseller, I think it says. So I'm really looking forward to checking these out, especially for that price range, to see really how these perform. So there's that right there, and it has a nice little flexible gooseneck on there. And then let's see. This right now doesn't have a wind filter on it. So right there, actually also comes in the bag. So if you don't see it. That's where it's at, and actually just dropped it. So if I unplug this, I should be able to get that over there. This is going to help. Obviously, you're not going to be in windy situations, but will help against like pops and things like that. Make it nice and clear. Take that off. And then there we have it. So there it is. That's the EKSA E900 series gaming headset. Again, this is a wired headset. Really, really comfortable. So I am really looking forward to checking this out as far as sound quality goes. Not only for recording and talking on the microphone, but also the sound quality in the headphones. So make sure to check out that review and demo. So we'll demo the mic and actually see how that sounds. But otherwise, I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here. Click that little bell icon to stay up to date with everything that I do, and so you get notified when we actually post a review of the E900 series headphones. If you have this set or any other products from the brand EKSA, let us know what you think of it and about the quality and anything that we should test out and look for. There you have it. I'm Alan, and we'll see you soon.